Hi guys, it's Mini Bomb 360. Your one of your. Let's just forget it. Today I'm playing Hydro Thunder. Let's begin. Um, yes, single player of course. Uh, what the? I gotta have 500 credits to pick another world. Man, that's what's sad about this game. Let's see. Vector. Wait. Let's check out these other boats. Guys, just to let you know, this is just the demo. So yeah, this is the demo. So yeah. Okay. Blah 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 blah. All right, here we go. I'm ready. Yeah. Charge. Come on. I gotta do this. I can do this. I believe. I believe. Okay. I gotta pass all these boats. Okay. Ow! Holy crap! I'm knocking into all these sticks. Hydro, thunder, hurricane. Alright. Out, out. Alright, I think it's ready to speed. Speeder! Ah! No, 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 no. Alright, there we go. I survived, I survived. I was knocked into those rocks. I went blown up. I would have blown up. Right, come on. Speed up. You're gonna lose. Speed up. Alright, let's go on this ramp. Fire away! Oh, just to let you know, guys, this is online. I'm playing the online version. Come on. Whoa! I just slammed the freaking. Be careful! TNT! Something like TNT, but it'll blow you up. Go, 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 go. Now I'm so not going to win. I'm not even close to first place. Come on. Speed up. You can do this. Believe. Believe. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. Keep knocking into things. Go. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Here we go. Action, action, action. All right. Let's do this. I took a shortcut. I'm such a cheater. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Bull snap. First place, baby. Alright, let's see. I'm in first place. Alright. Lightning Lee is in second place. Okay. Bustin' Brian. Okay. And who's in last place? Oh. Righteous Ralph. Man, what's up with Killer Kelly? Okay, I'm out of here. These names are weird as crap. Okay. I got 500 credit. I kind of get to unlock that world. Whoa, never mind. I can't. This is just the demo. That sucks. I gotta unlock the full version. Jesus Christ. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I gotta unlock the full version. Do I get a new boat? I don't get a new boat. Oh snap, I got a new boat. I got a new boat. Okay, let's try out this one. Let's get this one. Oh yeah, here we go. 2, 1, action, action! Woo. Man, this thing already sucks. I didn't even catch up to the next player yet. And I'm already knocking into stuff. Great. Turn around. right way. I'm already losing. Come on. Go, 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 go. Ah! No, 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 no. Don't you dare knock it. Oh my gosh. These guys keep pushing me there. Oh, you want to speed up on me? I'll speed up on you. Let's do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ja! Go, 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 go. You can do this, you can do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go, go. You can do this. I believe. Where's the ramp? Where's the ramp? Oh, here goes the ramp. Here comes the ramp. I'm about to do this. Woo! Oh. Okay. Okay, that was bad. That was bad. That was bad. Go, 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 go. Shortcut. I'm cheating. Yep, I'm sure I'm cheating. Here we go. Let's do this. Speed on! Be careful, you might explode! Ah! My car just flipped over! My boat, I meant! Oh my gosh, I'm so going to lose. I just got flipped over. That wave flipped me over. Get out of my way. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. Let's do this, Scrap. Come on. Come on. Go on. Go, 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 go. Oh yeah. Shortcut time. It's hero time. Ooh. No. Oh, I survived. I did it. All right, let's speed on. Go, 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 go. Sure. I go fast as Chuck, baby. Bam. Second place, baby. Wait, no. That's bad. That's bad. No. I don't want to end up in no second place. What? Oh, I see some same people from the first one. Killer Kelly. I see her again. Oh. Okay. That's weird. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. There will be more gameplays. This is just a demo, so I won't be able to do more. But yeah, see you later, guys. Hope you enjoyed.